Welcome to the 1 octave scale speed builder. The fingering is given to help you, and you'll see the metronome mark in the top left-hand corner. You'll hear a 1-bar pulse before each repetition, and the pulse will increase gradually from crotchet 36 beats per minute to minim 88 beats per minute. The target speeds from foundation to grade 8 are indicated when you arrive, but don't worry about keeping up, especially when you're starting out. It will take you just over 2 minutes to work through all the speeds, and you can use these to warm up or as part of your daily practice. Make a note of the speeds you reach in your practice notebook and take your time to build up the speed. Remember, it's not a race. Always aim for accuracy and precision. You can use the tracks to practice left hand or right hand alone, play legato or staccato, and add diminuendos and crescendos. The track is just a speed guide to help you. Think creatively when you're playing. Imagine each exercise as a piece of music in its own right that you have to communicate in an expressive way to the audience. Enjoy your scales and have fun practicing. Press pause now, and when you're ready, press play and off you go. Well done! How did you get on? Remember to make a note of your progress, and don't worry if you didn't keep up. It will all come with more practice. If you haven't already joined, click the like and subscribe, and do click the bell icon so that you don't miss the latest updates. If you'd like to support the work of the channel, you can via the Patreon link in the description or comments below. And if you're a beginner, check out the Beginner's Piano series, and in the meantime, happy playing!